Alright, now that we've finished everything off, we need to actually do a build so we can play it external of Unity. At the moment, all we've done is played it directly inside the Unity editor. So let's go ahead and go up to our file and go down to Build Settings. Inside your build settings, what you want to do is make sure that your scene has been added to the Scenes in Build. So if you have it opened, you can just say Add Current. When you add current, you'll find it right here. The platforms, there's actually quite a few platforms Unity publishes to. The one we'll focus on is just our PC, Mac, or Linux. What we're going to do is click on Build and Run. The Build and Run option, when it comes up, is going to ask you where to build it to. I'm going to make a new folder. We're going to call it Builds. That way, whenever we do a new build, we can put it right here. It's inside of our Project 1 Builds. And the name of it is just called Project 1. It's going to be the executable that saves. Once it saves everything out, it should just auto launch, and then we can play it from there. There we go. So now we have Project 1 configuration window. We'll go ahead and say windowed. We just want to keep it in a smaller view. We'll click on play. When it comes up, we now have our gameplay. We can run our character around and shoot. We have our score up at the top showing us how much health each side has. And then we have the amount of bullets that the player has left. You could place onto a download, you could do a web build and place onto Dropbox, and be able to play it and share it with your friends.